In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Thinkorswim Dark Mode. If you spend long hours analyzing charts or managing watch lists, switching to a dark theme can reduce eye strain, improve contrast, and make the platform feel more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. We'll walk through the exact menu path you need, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop app and logging in. Give it a moment to load all your data. If you have a lot of watch lists or custom studies, the initial startup can take a bit longer. Once you're on the main workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Setup. Click that gear to open the platform's configuration menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose Application Settings. This brings up a separate window where you can manage how Thinkorswim looks and behaves. On the left side of that window, you'll find a list of categories. Select Look and Feel to access the visual controls for the interface. Inside Look and Feel, find the Color Scheme section. This is where the magic happens. Open the list and choose one of the dark options. The standard dark preset is a great all-purpose choice, giving you deep backgrounds with crisp text and chart lines. If you want something with a different vibe, Thinkorswim also offers presets like Old School Thinkorswim and Chinese Dark. These options tweak the accent colors and contrast levels while staying within a darker palette, so you can pick what feels easiest on your eyes and works best with your charting style. As you explore, keep an eye on any preview or sample areas in the window to get a sense of how menus, watch lists, and charts will appear. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply Settings. The change should take effect immediately, transforming the platform's panels, menus, and chart backgrounds to the darker theme you picked. There's no need to restart, and it won't affect your studies, alerts, or saved workspaces. If you work across multiple monitors, the theme will update across all open Thinkorswim windows. That's all it takes to enable Dark Mode in Thinkorswim Desktop. A darker interface can make long sessions more comfortable and help key elements stand out. If you ever want to experiment further, just return to the same Look and Feel section and try a different dark preset to fine-tune the contrast and color accents to your preference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, eye-friendly setup.